Hi guys, today I'll be telling you more about QED's award-winning XT40 speaker cable. The XT40 is an exceptional performer. It's a natural upgrade for anyone wishing to move up a level from their entry-level speaker cable. The XT40 can be described as the little brother of the 5-star award-winning XT400 speaker cable. It's identical in every way, except it has pure copper conductors instead of silver-plated copper conductors, and it's less than half price. As you can see, it has a soft but strong flexible outer jacket, and inside it features QED's revolutionary X-tube technology. The conductors are made from high-grade copper, and we terminated using these sturdy QED Airloc Forte banana plugs. In terms of performance, it's authoritative, hugely detailed, beautifully balanced with an expressive mid-range. What Hi-Fi have awarded it 5 stars as well as best speaker cable, and it's available now from futureshop.co.uk. Thank you for watching our video. To buy any of our products, check out futureshop.co.uk, and if you have any technical questions, just call us on 0208 905 1555. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more videos, and make sure you click on the like button below. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.